In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your phone number in Discord on Android. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in the app to confirm the number linked to your account and what to do if you don't see one yet. Once you're in the Discord app, start by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your avatar icon, and it opens your user settings. If the menu looks slightly different, depending on your app version, that's okay. The profile icon in the bottom right is the quickest way to get to the right place. From here, you're in user settings. Look for the section labeled account or my account. The wording can vary a bit, but it's the same place. Go ahead and tap it. This page is where Discord keeps your core account details together so you can check or update them easily. On the account or my account screen, you'll see the email connected to your account, and if you've already added one, your phone number. This is the spot to confirm the exact number that's registered. It's useful if you need to double check what's on file for login or security purposes, or if you're troubleshooting a verification issue. If you don't see a phone number listed here, don't worry. That usually means you haven't added one to this account yet. In that case, you'll see an option to add it. Tap Add Phone Number, enter your number and follow the prompts to verify it. Discord will send you a code via SMS. Type that code into the app to confirm and link the number to your account. Make sure you select the correct country code and enter the number exactly as it's used on your device so the code arrives without issues. The message can take a moment to appear, so give it a little time if it doesn't show up right away. A quick privacy note to keep you comfortable. Only you can see your phone number in your own account settings. It's private and not visible to other users, servers, or friends. Discord uses it to help with account security, login, and recovery. That's all there is to it. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right, open account or my account, and check the phone number field. If nothing's there, add your number and verify it with the SMS code. Simple, quick, and secure. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along as you check your own account, and you'll have it set in just a few moments.